In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track projects in Monday.com. We'll build a clear, usable project tracker using a ready-made template so you can get organized quickly and then tailor it to your team's workflow. First, head to your workspaces. Think of a workspace as a container that keeps related boards, dashboards, and docs together. Choose the workspace where this project should live so the right people have access and everything stays neatly organized. If your account has multiple workspaces, pick the one your team already uses for projects to keep things consistent and easy to find later. Open that workspace and click the plus icon to create something new. When the creation menu appears, hover over Board. A board is the heart of project tracking in Monday.com, essentially a dynamic table where tasks, owners, dates, and statuses come together. Hovering shows you options, including building from scratch or using a template. Select Start with Template. Templates save setup time and come with best practice columns and structure. In the Template Center, use the search bar if you want to jump straight to project-focused templates. Searching terms like project, timeline, or tasks quickly surfaces strong options that fit most teams. You can also browse by category. Choose the project management category to narrow the results, then locate the project management template. This popular option typically includes groups for phases or sprints, columns for task owners, statuses, timelines or due dates, and priority. Everything you need to monitor progress at a glance. Click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board based on that layout in your selected workspace. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to confirm the location or name. Give the board a clear descriptive title so teammates can recognize it immediately. Now customize it for your work. Replace the sample items with real tasks, or keep the example structure and start adding new items. Rename groups to reflect your workflow, like planning, in progress, and completed. Adjust the status labels so they match your process. Use the people column to assign owners so everyone knows who's responsible. Add or edit a timeline or date column to lock in due dates, and consider enabling dependencies if certain tasks must finish before others begin. If you need more detail, insert columns for priority, tags, or numbers to capture effort or budget. To visualize progress the way your team prefers, create a view such as a Gantt for timelines or a Kanban for workflow. With your board tailored, you're ready to track projects confidently from kickoff to delivery.